Welcome to the wild world of the Oracle. Today I'm going to teach you some basics about how to use Fybit for the little guy. Okay, actually for anyone. But I took a small amount here, 0.05, which is only $854. But you know something? This is the magic of leverage. Little guy with $854 times, let's say, 38x on Fybit. It's $32,000 trade. So here we are. Now, let me show you. 37.5. I wanted to put into the trade this amount, 0.05, for example. And the way I did that, okay, 0.05 was I actually cut it in half to 5. Okay? Now, what I did was I did buy down at 50x, buy down at 25x. That gives me 37.50. Fees are only paid when you exit Fybit. Okay, only paid when you exit Fybit. And this could pump against me. It's morning time AM pump, but I just want to teach you a couple of things. Now, the fees are 7.5% on 50x. That means that anything over 7.5 at 50x you can keep. Anything over 5.62%, okay, is profit you can keep when you use this system. Why would I pick specifically 37.5? Okay, well, 25 is simply too slow. We don't want to be here all day. We want to be in and out, take profit as fast as we can. We are not day traders, we are human beings. We don't use technical analysis because that's a study of the past. Imagine studying caves and rocks, okay, in order to try to learn more about what's going on in society right now. It's almost impossible. Okay, the past does not predict the future, but the immediate moment, the right now, okay, we can use, and the size of it, let me talk in simple English. The size of the candles indicates the size of the move. The bigger the candle, the bigger the move. Now, you don't want to short at the very bottom of a move, which is where I could be potentially right now, okay? And again, there's no demo accounts here like BitGet. This is like, if you're going to trade, you're going to trade. They only take Bitcoin in and Bitcoin out. It is super simple. Now, I'll also teach you in this video how to protect your trade. We're going to go to 1x. We're going to go to limit order. Okay, because not everything's an instant win. Okay, I mean, if you're day trading, you're in it for the whole day. All right, here we trade the small time frames. We're in it usually for minutes. Sometimes it goes longer, and I'm taking a great risk now because technically I'm going against direction. If we look at the 6 hour, it's green, but look, smaller candle. You think the move's getting bigger or smaller? Price is going down. Looks like it's getting smaller. Okay, look at the 1 hour. So that means that this 6 hour will not be green for long. Will not be green for long. Now, here we are. We're almost in profit already because we used the Oracle. That's what I call it. 2550. The 2550. We split our leverage, our trade in half. Okay, now this ALCM. Let's close this. Cancel. Let's put in one right in front of you. That's proper. Okay, and I'm not looking to close the trade immediately. So I'm going to put half of my current position, 0.05. I'm going to set this for 1x, and this is the only time I use limit. Okay, now I'm going to take this number, the cut loss, which is where I would get liquidated, $10 below that. Okay, now if it goes up to 17,442, I would be liquidated and lose the trade. So at 17,432, this will fire off. Let's get the position right. Okay, by the way, the minimum trade is at 0.0005, and that's $10. So there's your demo mode if you'd like. So let's put in half of my current position at 1x. Boom, buy down, just in case. And if I have to, okay, there's wallet management that I can go ahead and put in another. This, if it was half, well, if it equaled my position, if it was 0.10, it would push me further away, but also cut my leverage literally in half, which is not what we want at this moment. Now, so I showed you how to enter a trade, how to set it up and protect it, and how to manage your wallet. Okay, now you might want to use up to 25% of your wallet in the trade, up to 25% for an ALCM, and the other 50% is in case you need more protection. All it does is pump and dump. It never goes the same way forever. Duh. So when we look here, listen, don't buy 5 monitors. Set up 2 tabs. The one where you trade and the one where we look at time frames. Again, the one where we trade, the one where we look at time frames. So make sure that you are always on Heikin candles. Here's a pro tip when you start your day. Okay, reset the chart, move it back, and this is exactly how you make your chart look like my chart. Okay, right there. Right then you can pull it. Okay, you can come here and you can do auto, which here auto fits data to the screen. That makes sure that even if you look at different time frames here, which I don't recommend. Why do I recommend using a different tab with the BitMEX time frames? Seeing they're up here, and this is how you set them. You put a star next to the ones you want. Everyone take a screenshot. The 1 hour, well, of course we want the 6 hour. The 1 hour, the 15-minute, the 5-minute, the 3-minute. Set your stars, and then you have them up here. Okay, so the direction was long. Breaking to the downside. Okay, it's raining on them. Now let's zoom in. Oh, make sure this is always blue. Otherwise, when you go into lower time frames, you get flat candles. If you're on dark mode, I can't help you. You might as well stay in the metaverse auto. So, looking at the dump. So there's a pump incoming. We're at a technical bottom, or temporary bottom in the moment. Okay, we're not in profit yet, but we're going to leave this. Okay, and that is your simple walkthrough for Fybit. To sign up, my Telegram, my Twitter. I don't know what the hell's going on my Twitter, man. I'm getting hit with all kinds of stuff that I have no interest in. I don't know how this happened. Okay, stuff in other languages. I don't know, but there's a link below for when I post, and when I post, it's epic. Anyway, every once in a while, I might repost or retweet something that I find funny. This guy's looking at this chick in the bathing suit. Boom, she catches him, just like crypto. What I find about this exchange is that it is very forgiving. If the ALCM fires, just set off another one. It's so simple. Okay, so again, this is $854 in the trade, in play. That's all. Oh, actually, it's more now. Okay, hold up. So now we've increased it when I demonstrated to you. This is a $1,700 trade. Okay, and here's where we are. There's probably going to be some AM pumps, but most likely 17 won't hold. Why did we hit 17,000? Simple. Let me take you all the way back. By the way, you can now, there's a link under my video that you can join. Hold on, let's pull up this. That you can join my Discord monthly. I'm pretty sure that I put it under there. Oh, this Voyager Celsius BitConnect versus exchanges explanation video is going to be amazing. It'll probably be up by the time you see this. Let me see if there's the monthly off. Here it is. For Dust, 0.0076. You can try my Discord, okay, for a month. No obligation. If you make money and you love being here, great. If not, you can split when you want to. But this is what I do. I'm with my people all day long. But I want to take you back to when this pump started. And here it was. The moment this news came out, the pumping began. And we blew past 17,000. So you really think 17,000 is going to hold? I don't know about that. Especially when it was a news-related blast. Okay? Freak rogue wave was caused by an irrational pump, but we've seen it on the lower time frames. We've seen it coming. So what was it? Real quick, and then I'll wrap this video up. I'm going to do a whole segment of these quick 5-bit videos where I explain everything really, really well. I like 5-bit. It reminds me of the old Bit 7. All the techniques, everything still works on there. So this came out that basically Brazil is the next laydown El Salvador. Okay, and they're going to be applying the use of Bitcoin and blah blah blah. And this is exactly when the crazy pump started and brought us over 17,000. I know they told you it was a bull run, right? Sorry, it's not. Below the video is a link to Fybit. You don't need a VPN. You don't need anything. It's like pirate trading. BitGet. Now, listen, these are different from the exchanges like FTX, Celsius, and all of that stuff. These are utilities. First of all, I pick exchanges that have instant withdrawal. Fybit will hit your wallet within minutes. Instant withdrawal. Very, very important. And I deposit into the exchange when I'm going to trade on the exchange. Duh. Okay, and then I withdraw. It's that easy. Tell me if you like these quick little Fybit learning videos, and I'll do more of them. So, have a good day. Boom.